Hey guys, what's up? I just got the mail today and my September BOXYCHARM came and I thought that we would open it together. I apologize for my appearance. I was right in the middle of repainting my dining room, so that's kind of why I look like this. These are painting clothes and I don't know if you guys can see this. You see that right there? I don't know what that is or where it came from, but I'm not happy about it. So we're gonna get right in. I haven't, as you can see, the seal's still on here. Haven't opened it yet. So for those of you who don't know, BOXYCHARM is a beauty subscription box that comes to your house monthly. It is $21 and usually it's anywhere from 4 to 6 full-size products. This is what it looks like. And it used to be the cards had a theme. They still do, but they don't have a theme on the cards until you open it up. So this is the wildflower theme for September. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like we got 5 items this month, which is really cool. Okay, so the first thing in here is a giant Laura Geller New York Baked Blush in Brighton. It says a sample on the back, not for sale. Do you see that? It's going to take me forever to get through that. So if that's a sample, I would hate to see what the full size is. This is called Tropic Hues. It's got a little tiny mirror in there, and then that's what it actually looks like. That's really kind of pretty. And it says that it retails for $28. Add a gorgeous flowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. That's cool. I'm sorry for the traffic noise. I have my windows open because it's like almost 80 degrees here. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. No, I will totally. I kind of smushed it now. I don't like that. I want it all pretty and swirly. That's really super pretty. It doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. That's really cool. I'll definitely use that. I'm super excited about that. I haven't gotten a good blush in a long time. Next up is a set of brushes. Ooh, this is from Alamar. We got their palette, which I am absolutely freaking obsessed with. I can't stop using it. That may be like the first thing ever that I actually pan. And they're really pretty, and they're really pretty green with like a rose gold. Let's see how they feel. That feels nice and fluffy. That feels very compact. Yeah, no, I like this. Okay, it says Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. I don't know if I said that right. They retail for $18. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, these brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush, I'm assuming that's what that is, effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat, tight liner brush is perfect for a direct color application on your lash line. Okay, so that must be the flat painter brush. And then that must be the liner brush. But hey, you know what? I love the palette, and I'm so excited to get these to try. So far, 2 things out of this box I'm super excited about. Really excited about those 2. And we're already over the price of the box, which is cool. Next up is a mascara. What is this? Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. Ooh. Is it like actually a roller? Okay, it says that it retails for $19. Creative, precise, ultra-fine wing liner looks with this innovative liquid liner. The ergonomic handle gives you insane control while creating your liner looks. The roll-on applicator does all the work for you while delivering a pitch black pigment that meets even your boldest standards. Created with a longevity complex, this quick-drying, smudge-proof formula is guaranteed to last. Okay, I'm going to be using this, so I'm going to go ahead and open. Oh, it says shake me up right there. So let's shake it, and we're going to swatch it because I want to see this roller thing. I've always wanted to try one of the roller ones, but I have never wanted to like actually go out and like buy one, so this is really super cool. Oh wow, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like an itty bitty teeny tiny wheel. All right, let's do this. I don't know how this is gonna work. Let's see. That's pretty cool, actually. Guys, I'm so excited about this. Like, look at the control that I have on that. Let's see if I can make... I just want to see if I can do this. And the answer is, yes, you can. That's super cool. Okay, I'm super excited about that. So 3 things out of 5 so far. Really good. Wow, that is really black too. Pigmented. It is, and it may just be my error. It does look a little bit patchy, but look. It is definitely smudge proof, which is cool. All right, next up I have Hank and Henry. Oh, look at the little owl. How cute is that? It is matte liquid lipstick petal pusher. I'm not a huge fan of matte liquid lipsticks. I'm so gonna open this wrong. Yep. Oh, that's confusing because it looks like a lipstick, but then you flip it over and that's where that is a huge applicator. Holy cow. But I like the color. All right, it says Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. The frosting scented longwear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while vitamin E infused formula gives your lips a youthful look they deserve. It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. And it retails for $17. Well, I like the color. And that's like super, super pretty. All right, we're just gonna go inside the store. Ooh. No, I like that. Oh my gosh, it smells just like vanilla frosting. And I know because I just made a cake with Pillsbury vanilla frosting. Oh, it smells so good. That is not fair. That is really pretty. I am super excited to try that. Okay, BOXYCHARM, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. I'm super excited now for everything in this box so far. Okay, last up is the, oh, it's a pretty vulgar eyeshadow palette. This is the Nightingale palette. That's what it looks like. Embrace your beautiful contradictions. I am nothing but a walking contradiction. So, okay. All right, so it says Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette retails for $35. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades. Hold on. Motorcycles. Highly pigmented shades. The Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte shimmer and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for an easy blending and long wear. All right, let's look. Okay, it's got a nice mirror. Doesn't bend all the way back. Boo. But those are some nice colors. Very nice colors. Yeah, those are kind of nice. I'm gonna swatch. What am I gonna swatch? I'm gonna swatch this guy, Silver Spoon. Kind of a steely blue gray. All right, that's not bad. Kind of like it. All right, now let's do Dark Side. Kind of like a purpley. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these colors though. Ooh, that does feel nice though. It's like a very nice dusty purple. It's coming off more gray. These are so soft, you guys. Let's do Swoop, which is a matte. Okay, hello. You don't have to push hard on these. And look at that. This is like the worst swatch ever, but still. This palette makes it look good. Alright, let's do a light color because I want to see. Let's do Break Free, which is a shimmer. This little shimmery right here. It's kind of what it looks like. I'm going to go right there. And it doesn't really show up, but it's super light, so that's not surprising. That would be a good little highlight shade. It's kind of like a silvery white. Not bad. There is a little kick up with these. All right, let's do Pillow Fight. It's kind of like peachy color right here because that is closest to my actual like lid shade. So I would probably use that as an all over shade. It's not bad. Did I just get, no, I didn't. Okay. That's not bad. It's got kind of like a little pinky sheen to it. Yeah, no, that's not bad. All right, definitely give this a shot. I do like pretty vulgar stuff. Oh, we should try this black. Hold on, we're gonna try All Nighter. That feels gritty. That feels gritty, but wow. All right, let's see if it's as black as I think it is. No, it's more of a smoky black. It's not like a black, but that's okay. That's right. I will definitely give this a shot. It won't be for a little while because I'm in the middle of loving some other colors right now, but I will definitely give this a shot and let you guys know what I think in a later video. Probably do a review slash get ready with me, because I'm starting to do those more on the channel, my channel, I should say. So, you know what? To be fair, I am excited for the first time for everything in my box, and it has been, wow, I want to say since maybe last year that I've been this excited for everything in my box. I mean, there have always been some things that, you know, I'm excited about and some things that I'm not, but this is the first time where everything makes me excited. And I like the theme, very, you know, earthy, very, you know, fall color with the olive and everything. Super excited about that. Cool. All right, you guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, comment down below. Let me know what you guys are most excited to get in your BOXYCHARM if you get it. If not, let me know what you're most excited to see me try out. Yeah. So thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Would love to have you as part of my viewing family. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys, I love making these videos, and the fact that you guys like them makes it worth it, you know, so much more. I'm just, you know, a person sitting in her living room. I have no idea what I'm doing with any of this stuff, so I'm learning as I go. So the fact that you guys like what I do really does mean the world to me. So thank you so much, you guys, and until next time, bye.